flat trade or flat start really, just about there, 5878 or 5879. So nothing to choose there on the index at least. Let's just get in some specific names going. UltraTech does open with a bit of a gap, so I should pull up that one for you. I think 2.5% higher for an UltraTech in trade, 3% higher, above 2000 once again. So price cut or no price cut, this one is staying strong. DLF is doing okay, as is a Hindalco and a JSPL. JSPL was the top gainer, mind you, on Friday's session, so that one continues to do okay. 0.5% kind of a gain, as is for a Bharti Airtel too, so that's doing okay. What's not doing okay, if at all, HDFC and Axis Bank, 1% off. We spoke about that. Not that it's a big detriment, because this news about the exposure to GMR has been talked about for 3-4 days, but Axis has started off 1% lower, and Cipla has started off 1% lower. That's probably, that indeed is the top loser on the Nifty, but just by a margin. No great moves really. It's essentially UltraTech on the upside, and maybe a couple of stocks like a JP and an ICICI Bank giving it support. But that aside, at least for the index, it is a flattish start.
Oh yes, it sure may be. Maruti, TVS Motors, M&M as well as Tata Motors all would be reacting to their monthly sales figures. TVS Motors, the first rates haven't trickled in. Tata Motors, M&M as well as Maruti. Maruti has started off with a gain of about 0.5%. It is the case with M&M as well. And Tata Motors is the one which I think has started off weak. Yes, just about marginally so actually. 272 is where the stock is. The DVR is taking a bigger hit, 1.2% down right now. GVK, that is the one which is in focus, wherein GVK has now written to the Airports Economic Regulatory Authority on additional equity infusion into MIAL. So watch out for that one. Meantime, of course, Axis Bank has now sent a legal notice to Maldives government to recover $350 million loan given to GMR Infrastructure for building the Malé Airport. GMR Infra sees some green. Axis Bank, on the other hand, is currently lower by about 1%. Emphasis, they've acquired the US-based data analytics company Digital Risk for a sum total of $200 million in an all-cash deal. Emphasis starts off with a bang. It's up almost 4.5% currently in trade. Thomas Cook is looking to raise about 200 crore rupees via a NCD issue. And you've also got Thermax, which is backed a 503 crore rupee EPC order for a 3 million PTA captive power plant in central India. So Thermax, that's a very phenomenal move coming in. 8% notch up is what you're seeing on Thermax actually this morning.